Okay, so here it is, the famed standard algorithm. Everyone wants to multiply using the standard algorithm. It's the way I learned in school. It's the way most of your parents probably learned in school. So let's go ahead and get started with it. All right, so our equation, again, is 24 times 16. So the first thing you want to do when using the standard algorithm is line up your factors one over top of the other by place value. Okay, this makes it a lot easier to multiply. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is multiply your bottom factors one place by your top factors by both your 1 and 10's place and your top factors. Now, if you had a hundreds place, you would multiply the 1 by all three. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So 6 times 4, 6 and 6 is 12, and 12 and 12 is 24, so it's 24. I carry my 2 up. 6 times 20 is 120, plus 20 more is 140. So remember, this isn't just a 2 now, it's a 20. Sure, it's easy to look at it like 6 times 2, but actually you're multiplying 6 times 20. Okay? So just keep that in mind. All right, now you're going to drop down. We know what 6 times 24 is. 6 times 24 is 144. Now we're going to drop down and multiply 10 times 24, because remember, we have to multiply both digits, both your 1's place and your 10's place, by 24. All right, so here we go. Since I'm multiplying in the 10's place, I'm going to put a 0 here to keep my place marker, because anything multiplied by 10, there's going to be a 0 in the 10's place. Okay? So let's go ahead through here. 4 times 10 is equal to 40, which is what we've got. And then 20 times 10 is equal to 200. Okay? So I know that 6 times 24 is equal to 144, and 10 times 24 is equal to 240. All right? So now all I have to do is add these two up. All right? So 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So my answer is 384. Now, let's go back and so let me write my answer up here. 384. Okay. So I explained it to you. Now I'm sure that in the past you probably had to explain like this. 24 times 16 is 6 times 4 is equal to 24. You carry your 2 up. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Plus 2 more is equal to 14. And then you put your 0 in. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. And 2 times 1 is equal to 2. And then you drop, and then you just add these up, just like we did before. So the difference between the first way and the second way, did I get the same answer? Yes. But the difference is that you need to understand why the standard algorithm works. Okay? So, remember, while going through the second way might be easier for you, it's important to remember that the first way I did it is why it works. Okay? You're not multiplying 1 times 24, you're multiplying 10 times 24. You're not multiplying 6 times 2 and 4, you're multiplying 6 times 24. So, it's not just important to be able to do it, it's important to be able to understand why it works. This will help you in the future, I promise. Okay? This method also works for 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit. In fact, a lot of people find it to be one of the easier ways to multiply. So if you like it, use it. If you don't, there's the other methods that we have. So feel free to use them as well. All right. Good luck.